The evidence, which we are sharing with you all, confirms that the explosion of the Ali al-Mahadani hospital in Gaza was caused by an Islamic Jihad rocket that was misfired. Some that will be shared here of communication between terrorists talking about rockets misfiring. The terrorists realized that the rocket has misfired and made specific reference to the Ali al-Mahadani hospital. What are you saying, Abu Ammar? But God bless, it couldn't have been found another place, not the hospital, to explode? Never mind, yes, Abu Aji. They shot it from the cemetery behind the hospital. What? They shot it coming from the cemetery behind the Mahadani hospital, and it misfired and fell on them. There's a cemetery behind it? Yes,